want you to improve in your studies this year. That is why I have employed a lesson teacher from the abroad, from UK and the US, to teach you. You understand? Welcome, sir. Welcome. So we have been waiting for you. So Chinedu, this is that your lesson teacher I told you is from abroad. So I'll be teaching you your mathematics and everything. So Mr.
Machala.
Oh, Jesus Christ.
Mr. Machala, welcome, sir. All right, please just take it from here. I'll be going to the market. I want to cook.
Okay, no problem, man. Let's go and learn.
Why am I always forgetting my bag anytime I'm going to the market?
Are you okay? You think I'm joking with you? I study abroad. I'm the one that gave them the measurement of Anasta's skirt. I teach Tunde not. I teach so many people. Idiot. So now, tell me, what is 4 plus 4?
Are you mad?
Hey! Come back. Fine, enjoy your spirit. Idiot.
You never
I said, what is 4 plus 4?
64.
Jesus!
Go save you. You sabi book die.
This is not even a man joke.
You look so sweet. Sweet boy for life, you don't know. Even aunts they rush me. It's not my fault. See your mouth. Sharp. Thanks, by the way. And you, Maggie, you look really spicy. Now wash. Bastard. So this is what you do when I'm not around. No need for the insults. Sharp. Just shut up. See, just break up with him. He's white, but his heart is black. Like this idiot beside me. See pot calling kettle black. Sharp. Shut up, idiot. You're a bombastic element. Small insult, you're already steaming. Yes. Cook! You guys are gassing them up. And so, did we complain? If you can't handle the heat, please leave the kitchen. Or more. The fuck? Girl, I produce the heat. Shit, no be lie. Fuck. Back to you. I hate that we even look alike. You disgust me. Again with the insults. Sharp. Just shut up. Oh, baby girl, fall on me. Let me save you from that guy. Me. Peter Parker. Wait, they think say be Spider-Man. Parker. The guy don't pack spider webs. That's what you know how to do. Trash talk. Hey, wait.
Okay, I swear! Without me, you'll never be happy.
Same to you.
Okay, Sam.
Happiness is killing me. Hey, that's enough.
With no one polluting by my side, I can now wake up to fresh air. Now, that is happiness.
Long man, kidogo. Bia, can you push me on the wall? Romance with tall men is what I call happiness. Kill me, daddy.
Okay.
You see, I told you everything about me is told.
Go away, you long man. Go and chill in the towers.
From small nyash to big nyash. Big nyash. Big nyash is the key to happiness.
People call him Simba. I call him my man.
Now when you sweep Justin Bieber quickly, this one will kill you.
For rich women only. Broke women, keep off.
Guy.
Thank you, my G. Thank you for helping me,
Yes, daddy. I'd rather talk with happiness than talk with short men.
I don't need bitches.
I'm rich. I'm rich.
I'll never let you go again like I did or used to say. I would never fall in love again until I found her. I said I would never fall unless it's you I fall into. I was lost. Who's not got to do? My car! Man, I'm good.
How you doing?
Man, I'm doing great.
I see. Tell me, bro.
I got the gig.
What?
Yeah.
You got a goddamn gig, bro?
Man, you made it. Man, you see, they call me and they call me.
Damn, I know them, bro, but they fired me. Yeah.
What?
I don't know and I don't want to know because I don't want that gig again, bro. But you got it, I'm happy for you. Let's go to celebrate.
Man, I'm in and you out.
Do not worry about me, man. I gave my own man on the street. Don't worry about me, man. I promise you, I'll never go back to jail again, bro. I'm happy you got gig. You understand that shit?
I know you have.
Yeah, let's go to celebrate, bro.
Just tell me why they fire you.
Man, you start again. You wanna know that? I punched that white guy on the face.
Come on, man. You punch your boss?
My boss?
Yeah.
God damn it, man. That white man is my boss? I don't know that shit. They don't mention that shit. I punched on the face. That nigga tried to be my daddy. He asked me why you late on the gig. He don't know that if I was late on my B-day party.
Man, it's not about late on your birthday party, man.
Yeah.
Man, I know you. Man, you got wee, that's why you late.
Don't mention my wee here, bro.
Come on, man. This fella is so stupid, man.
I know I'm stupid more than a motherfucker act. There. How much they pay you?
Man, I got $500 per 2 hours.
God damn it, man. They give you my salary.
Are you jealous now?
I'm not jealous, man. I just think about that guy. What they thinking about us, bro?
I don't know, man. We are what we are.
Let's go celebrate, bro.
Man, anything for you.
I need to get drunk and high today.
Okay. Man, I got you.
Yeah,
I got you,
yeah.
Come on, man.
Yeah, let's go use your goddamn salary today. I'm yours, bro.
See guys, let's be honest. This award belongs to me because I'm your next rated. Fuck that shit! Baba Yayo. Village people to take over. Every single attack was a hit, back to back. From killing his dreams to cutting his games to heart attack. Couldn't that fool anybody?
Solo Afana.
I did.
Oi.
Daddy. Hey!
Solo?